Hello, welcome. My name is Sir Kofi. I am a student of planning and GIS, Geographic Information Systems. And on this channel, I talk about how to do mapping with ArcGIS, QGIS, and ArcGIS Pro. So if you are interested in this topic, kindly subscribe to this channel, hit on the bell icon, and like this video. Thank you very much. Okay, so in today's video, we are going to learn how to create MNDWI map with Landsat 8.9. In my very previous video, I focused on how to do this map with Landsat 7, and I made more explanations about that. Yes, so you can check that video out. So in this video, we are not going to waste much time. I'll just go straight to the point. So you need band 3 and band 6, and my band 3 and my band 6 are ready. Do you get it? Yeah. So if you want to know, in the previous video, I made more explanations about that history, the meaning, and those stuffs. Yes, so you can check it out. But in this video, let's go straight to the point. So my band 3 and my band 6 are ready. So you just go to the Arc2 box, Map ArcGIS Raster Calculator. So the formula is that B3 minus B6 divided by band 3 plus band 6. But before that, we need to bring the conditional float. Band 3 minus band 6 divided by another float, band 3 plus band 6. Do you get it? I could have specified where I want it to be saved, but for the purpose of this video and time, I will just click OK. So I can just come here, MNDWI. Okay, so you see that the high is a white, and we are already seeing some whitish colors over here. These are water bodies. These are water bodies. This is actually the Gulf of Guinea and at the southern part of Ghana. So it is not surprising that it is showing whitish. Are you getting it? So, but this is not our study area. So I'll just look for my boundary and click the study area. This is the study area over there. So I can just, before that, I can just come here and maybe select this. You get it? So the high areas are, the blue areas are water bodies, whilst the other colors are other land uses. We will come back to that. Okay, so let me clip the study area. Clip. You go to search, you search for clip, you see clip data management, you select that one. So you select the MNDWI raster file, the study area over here. You check the two. For the sake of time, I won't specify where I want it to be saved. I'll click OK. So MNDWI is a common one. Let me uncheck this and check this one too. Now we are having this. So let me go back and choose the So you see that the blue areas are water bodies. Let us compare it to this. This is 2025, a land use land cover map of the same area. You see that the water bodies are here, and it is depicting the same. Are you seeing it? This is interesting. Are you getting it? So with the land use land cover map, you can specify the classes you need, but this one can actually review the water bodies for you. Just that the other land uses, it mixes them. We will get there. So what's after that? The interpretation is that on paper the range is between -1 to +1, but unfortunately our range is between -0.3 to +0.1. So it is not following the range on paper, but the explanation is still following. Do you get it? The highest value is open water bodies, river or lakes. Do you get it? In that order. So we are going to use the idea to move in descending order, like I did in the previous video. Meaning, if our range is not between -1 to +1, we will assume that our highest value, even though it is not greater than 0.3, our highest value is still falling within these classes, and our lowest value is falling within these classes. Are you getting it? So first of all, let us go back. Right click, you go to properties. You see classify. Choose that one. Reduce it to 4 classes like they are here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You go to classify. You can reduce the decimal places. 0.16, 0.02, 0.10, 0.17. Are you getting it? You click OK. When you click OK, we are moving in descending order, right? Okay. If we are moving in descending order, let's go back. The highest value, they are saying open water. So let us give it this. Here we are moving from here. This is the highest, this is the lowest. Don't be confused about the order here. Do you get it? We've given it water. The next one, they are saying bare soil, sparse vegetation. No, we are moving from here to here. The next one, they are saying mixed or shallow water, wetland, very moist soil. So we will give it light blue color. We are moving in descending order. The next one, they are saying bare soil, sparse vegetation, or dry surfaces. Let's say it is a bare soil. The next one, they are saying dense vegetation, built up areas, or rock. Let's say it is built up area. This is what we are having. Are you getting it? But the water body is here. The water body is here. Are you getting it? The dense one, it is following the pattern. Are you getting it? But then the mixed or shallow wetlands are actually falling within the vegetative area. Are you seeing it? Have you seen it? And the built up is within that range. Do you get it? And if you look at the last one, they are saying dense vegetation. If we go there and change it to dense vegetation, you are going to have something like this, and it is falling within built up. Do you get it? So let's change it back to built up. And here too, they are saying bare soil, sparse vegetation, dry land surface. Dry land surface. Are you getting it? It looks like that one is also falling within dry land surface, like built up. Because if you look at the pattern, all these areas are built up areas, and the vegetation is here. Are you getting it? What I am trying to tell you is that after it has reviewed the water bodies for you, the other land uses, it mixes them. So you need to know the areas to know which one of these are falling within. So if I am following the pattern with my area, like I know the area like this, I will go back and do this. I'll maintain the water body and change this to vegetation, and change here and here to built up to follow it. Are you getting me? Are you getting the concept? You see that it has followed it? So what I'm trying to reveal to you is that after it has reviewed the water bodies for you, the other land uses it mixes them. It will either fall within this, or this. So you have to know the area to confirm it. And by the way, aside using remote sensing to review water bodies, you can also use digital elevation model to review the reverse of an area. You can turn digital elevation models into water bodies. If you want to know how to do that, it is so amazing. You can check the video. That is the link over there. It will take you through. Okay, so that is what I meant. Like I was saying, the other land uses it and mixes them. So you need to know the area. Yes. So thank you very much for watching, and I would like to see you in my next video. Bye bye.